Hey y'all, long time no see. It's been about 5 months since I have uploaded and I am finally back with a new video, and of course it is a nail tutorial on this super simple black and white star French tip nail art. I have been wanting to try out a different style of nail. Today I am using the GELLA medium length square full cover nails. They come in 12 sizes and are pre-etched to ensure longer wear time. I am using the Zanest Builder Gel in shade 11 as my base color. I applied 3 coats, curing each for 30 seconds to reach my desired opacity. I am now creating the smile line, which will be the guide for my French tip, using the Your Sugar Color Gel in shade 666. This formula is rather thin, so it did take me 4 coats to build up to a solid opaque black. And again, I am curing each coat for 30 seconds. The star decals I am using are stickers, not water slides, which means they are a little bit harder to work with, and for a few of my nails, I did have to bend them to the shape of my nail in order for them to lay flat. Now I'm going over it with the Modelones glossy top coat and then curing for 30 seconds. And here is my thumbnail. I am going to repeat the same design on my index finger as well. Moving on to the middle nail, which I will call the transition nail for the sake of this set. So this is how I divided up the sections of the French tip. And I also thought it was a really creative way to move the nails from black to white. Now I'm just repeating the same steps with my white polish. Here is my split color French tip design. It came out so good. It is so pretty. I love it. Also, as I was going to top coat my nail design, that's when I noticed that I did not place down my base color, and I'm so happy that I caught it before top coating and curing the nail. I used one of my nail art brushes to gently and slowly outline the French tip design with my base color and also fill in the remainder of the nail. Here's a close-up of the nail. I think it came out perfect. I was worried about outlining the smile line, particularly the star, because it's so small, but overall I think it looks great. Now I'm moving on to the last 2 nails, which will be the white French tip designs with black stars. I wanted to do something different in terms of the length and shape of my nails. I am so happy I decided to go with these medium length square nails because I haven't done square nails ever, and these are so pretty. I love them. Thank you so much for watching. It feels so good to finally be uploading again. Let me know what you think of this set in a comment below. If you're interested in any of the products that I used, they are all available in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!